Hi friends, we are from the multiple sclerosis group for Bamboo Mobile. So this is the prototype that we have created for our client. As we didn't have an existing website on which to build on, we have created a sample prototype for our client. So this is the login screen that you can see on the screen. Um, so I'll just enter some username and I have not yet set a password, so that's all right. Let me just submit. Okay, so on submit, what happens is the dashboard opens up, which is nothing but the calendar, followed by the gauge charts and the Fitbit charts. Let me go through each of them in detail. So as the patients preferred the calendar chart, we decided to stick with them. And as you can see, instead of faces, we see numbers inside each date. So each number has a significance associated with it. You can see the numbers have meanings. The legend has been specified on the right side of the window where the values range from 0 to 5. Um, so, in addition to the calendar chart, what the patients wanted to see was the gauge charts associated with each symptom. So, the symptoms are the four values that you see here on the left in the drop down menu: pain, mobility, fatigue, and spasticity. Um, So now we are seeing December 10th values because that is the day that has been selected. Um, so in addition to the gauge charts, the patients wanted to see some sort of a graphic, a visual which would describe the medication that they were taking. So we decided to add an image that says how many pills they have taken compared to how many they are supposed to. Also, we have the Fitbit charts below the gauge charts. So the Fitbit charts are values that are taken from the Fitbit website. These are something that the patients find very motivating. Um, in addition to these charts, the patients prefer to have readings of the temperature, particularly the temperature change relative to the previous day, whether there was a slight increase or decrease in the temperature, and also the humidity factor as well. So, what we did was we provided an option to navigate through each month and select the dates on which they want to look at the readings of. So I'll just select a random day here, and as you can see, this particular day is highlighted, and you can see the readings for the symptom pain. Let me just change the symptom to fatigue, and you can see the page just reloaded, and you can see a new set of values for a different symptom. We also have provided a print option for the patients that will help the doctors particularly, to kind of look at each symptom over a period of month and help them compare it with previous values. In addition to the dashboard, we have a trend tracker where patients can choose two different symptoms and plot a graph against each other. So, what happens here is that they can kind of analyze some sort of a comparison or a trend between two symptoms as to what is causing more harm or more good in their health. So let me just show you a sample comparison between two symptoms. So I chose spasticity and exercise, and as you can see, With more exercise, the spasticity value tends to go on decreasing. This is mobility versus exercise, and for more exercise, the more you exercise, the more mobility is noticed. So that is all from the demo.